Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, for those of you guys that are new here today. And in today's video, I'm just gonna be doing a little do your nails with me video. I'm not going too in depth, but I'm basically showing you guys how I make my press-on nails at home. If you're not following me on Instagram, maybe you should, because I typically do polls on there deciding what nails and press-ons I'm gonna make, because I am allergic to acrylic. So ever since I found out I was allergic, I really wanted to find a nail alternative to allow me to have long nails without giving me rashes and bumps and all that type of stuff and making me like just uncomfortable. So I decided to make my own press-on. So these are the nails that we are inspired by today. It was a 50-50 split on my Instagram, so I had to pick out of those nails and the Kylie Jenner nails, so I chose these ones. And these are my little DIY nail stands. I just made them out of like wood and sticky tack. Literally cost less than $2. If you guys want a tutorial on that, let me know. And then I also have my UV LED lamp to cure the gel polish. I got that off of Amazon. And then I am using the Apri Gel X nail extensions. I found that these were my favorite nail tips. I felt like they were just sturdy enough, hard enough to where when I glue them on my nails, it feels like acrylic rather than just some flimsy nail extension. So I already pre-sized my nails, so I know what number nails I need for each finger. So I'm just going ahead and placing those on my little nail stands, like in accordance to how my hands lay. So the inward nails are my thumbs and the outward nails are my pinkies. So now I'm taking some nail clippers and I'm clipping off the very point of the nail. These are the stiletto extensions. They have a lot of different sizes, shapes. They have like rounded, coffin, square. I got these stiletto ones and I really do like them because they are very pointy, but I just wanted more of a rounded shape, so like more of an almond. So hack is if you get the stiletto nails, just clip off the top pointy part and just like round it out, and it creates the perfect almond shape. So I'm just going to be doing that to all of my nails, clipping all of the ends off and then rounding them all out. So these are what the nails look like all finished and rounded out. Like I said, the perfect almond. And yeah, so after I have all those done, you guys, I don't know what happened with my camera, but when I started editing this video, I realized that I was missing this whole first part of me doing my nails. So I just redid it with one nail for you guys. I'm using a base gel coat. This is by Beetles. I'll have everything I used linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. So on all of the nails, I put a thin layer of the base gel coat, and I went ahead and cured that. Every time I cure, I'm curing it for 60 seconds. So I cure for 60 seconds after I apply the base coat, and now I'm applying the actual gel polish. So I wanted to get a color that was close to the color on the picture. So you want to make sure you apply a very thin layer. Even if it's see-through on the first layer, that's okay. You don't want it to be thick because that's what makes like thicker nails and they look all chunky and bulky. So I did my first layer very thin, cured it for 60 seconds, took that out, and then I'm doing a second layer, very thin coating as well. And then I'm gonna cure that again for 60 seconds. Yeah, sorry guys, the footage cut out. I don't know what happened, but I just couldn't leave y'all hanging and not show y'all what I did. So after you do that second coating, you'll have the nail that will look something like this. And you can see it looks very opaque, no like see-through, no streaks. It looks very cute, very shiny, very great press on. That's all I know. So now back to the actual nails. As you can see on the side, I have a turnover plate, and I just put all of my colors that I'm going to be using on that plate. For the orange and the purple, to lighten them out because they were darker, I put a white gel polish mixed with it just so it can lighten it out. If you guys didn't know, you can always add white or black polish and it'll lighten or darken a polish to get like that perfect color you want. So I'm just using my nail art brush and I am creating that French tip shape on all of the nails. And you can always use different brushes for different colors, but I really like this brush, so I'm just wiping off the polish after I'm finished with that color with some wet paper towel. And just make sure you get it all out and you're good. You can go back into another color and use it. So I'm just preloading the brush with some polish, and then I'm gonna continue to do that for all of the rest of the nails with the rest of the colors. So after I cure those colors, I'm using this Amelie matte top coat, and I got this off Amazon as well. I will say one thing when using this, make sure you apply a very thin layer. I think I applied it on a little too thick because at first I thought when you applied it, this is my first time using it, that it was supposed to instantly turn matte, like you didn't have to cure it. So I was like, why is it not turning matte? So I kept applying like layers and layers. And I realized later that it has to cure to be matte. So I would apply a very thin layer, and I feel like it'll give it a better look. I do feel like my nails kind of turned out a little streaky. You probably can't tell on camera because they look pretty good on camera, but I do think it kind of gave it a streaky effect. So after I cure that top coat, the top coat you cure for 90 seconds. That's the only thing you cure a little longer, just because it says that on the bottle. So I take off the nails and I look on the bottom of them to make sure that like no sticky tack is stuck to it, because as you'll see pulling this pinky off, look at all that sticky tack. It kind of sticks to it sometimes, usually more with the smaller nails. And if there is any sticky tack stuck to the inside of the nail, I just pick it off. And I always check like the nails. Sometimes there'll be a part I might need to round off or shave down, or just like little nicks and stuff. To give it a better perfect shape, I'll just file that down. So now I'm taking my nail drill and I'm just buffing my nails so that when I apply the glue, it'll have more of a grip. This is like literally a must do if you're applying press-ons, fake nails, anything. And then after I buff my nails, I take some rubbing alcohol and I wipe my nails clean. And you guys, I'm using crazy glue. Yes, I'm using actual super glue to apply my nails. I really don't think there's much of a difference between super glue and regular nail glue. I really don't think it's a difference. But use what you want, use what you feel safe doing. I feel like this makes my nails stay, like literally, I can have a pair of press-ons on for 3 weeks, sometimes even a full month. But yeah, y'all, and it don't damage my nails. It literally, I'm pretty positive it's the same thing as nail glue. But anyway, so when I apply the nails, I hold them down for 30 seconds. Obviously, I'm not showing you 30 seconds on here. Everything's sped up. But make sure you do hold it down for 30 seconds. That's what's gonna keep your nails on, keep them nice and tight onto your nail. No air bubbles need to be underneath. You wanna hold it down pretty tight. So now that we have all of our press-ons glued down, we're not finished yet. I'm gonna be using the Woo Me Beauty Nail Growth Serum to apply as a cuticle oil. You guys, I've heard great things about this. So when Woo Me reached out to send me this nail growth serum and help me on my nail journey, I just had to accept it. So they sent me this nail growth serum to just let my nails become a little bit more healthier. Like I said, I'm allergic to acrylic. So my nails really have been through some things, and we need to get them back to healthy, nice nails. So thank you, Woo Me, for sending me this over. You can use it as a cuticle oil and it'll keep those cuticles nice and soft and healthy, but I'm also planning on using it when I remove these nails as well. Stay tuned for another video. But yeah, you guys, these are gonna be the completed nails, the completed press-ons. I like them. I do feel like the matte coat is a little streaky, but I keep telling myself, this is a learning process. I'm not a pro, I'm not a nail tech. This is just how I do it at home, and I'm just gonna continue to practice. And hopefully I'll get there to where they look like absolutely perfect nail tech press-ons. But yeah, let me know if you guys try this with other nail designs. I would love to see some pictures. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.